Let's create this poster design with the text behind the image using Canva. From your Canva homepage, just select the format that you would like to execute that design. I will select poster, so I can click here and then create from blank. And now you can upload your image going to uploads, or you can search your image within the elements. I'm going to use one that I have already searched for before, and that's this image here. I really like it. It's actually AI generated. I'm going to give you a tip where to find such images within Canva at the end of this video. But to start now, we're going to place the image where we would like to have it. So I think this will look nice. This is the margins that I would like to have in this poster. And I'm going to change the color of the background as well. Let me see, I think this goes quite well. No, I need something lighter. I think this works better to the purpose of this design. And now we are going to type any word that you would like. So I'm going here for text, add a text box. Let me make this bigger here for you to see. And I'm going to type here skincare. Let's change its color so you can see the word. When it happens, as you see, just select the whole word and then you can go to colors and you can type the hex here if you know it already, or you can also grab a color from the design. That's sometimes very practical. Now I'm going to change the font. I don't want this to be Montserrat. Here you can go to search for the fonts that you like. I had something in mind for this design and I'm going directly to search for the name of the font. That is Cordia. Yes, Cordia New. I want it bold. Now we're going to make it bigger. I want the font to stop exactly here where the image stops, but I don't like the spacing between the characters of the font, so I'm gonna make it tidier. Let me see, -50 usually works well in this kind of font. It's readable, but still gives some nice touch to it. Now I'm going to make it as big as the image, as you can see here. Let me reduce the image here a bit. I also would like to make this a gradient, because if you see the background of this image, it has some kind of gradient colors from dark green to lighter green. So I'm going to click here again and let's change the color. And we are going to use now gradient. So the first color, I'm going to leave it like this. And the second color, I want to select something that is in the image as well. You can barely see this, but I kind of like it. I can reduce a bit the transparency. So now I'm playing more with the different colors within the image and I kind of like this result. I think it will match well even when we adapt it and make it closer like this. Now let's reduce this here and I want to place it right there. Okay, to create that effect that you saw in the intro of this video, we are going to have this image duplicated. Now we can select the whole image and we're going to remove its background. You can do this also for free in Canva. I'm using this pro version here, but you can also search within the apps for background remover and you can do this for free within Canva as well. Now you see we can create this kind of cool effect that the font is behind the woman and I think it's very nice. Okay, I see that I would like to have more of the image with her hands appearing more. So let's just make some adjustments so it looks a bit nicer here. Let me see, like this. And I'm going to be placing it right there. But this is too down below. I cannot read what's written, so this will work better. Now we just have to go to position and the layers, we need to grab the right one so that we can increase this till it fits to the font, to what is written behind. And let me see, okay, I like this more because now we see more of the image, of course, of the product. You can add some text in the poster. You will have some specifications from your clients, I'm sure. But this is like a nice way of making it pop out and playing a bit with gradient and the image in front of the text, which I kind of think it's very interesting. Remember I told you I was going to tell you where you can find these cool AI generated images within Canva. Let's do this. So you just have to go to apps and you have to search for Lumi, this one here. This is connected to this cool website where you can find AI generated images from creators. And here you have such beautiful images. Let me show some of them for you. When this is integrated within Canva, you can simply click on the image and it's ready for use. You see, that's super nice. I like the texture. So sometimes if you don't have the perfect image or you want something different than the ordinary that you find in the Canva elements, you can come here and you can search for a perfect image for you. There are some beautiful images, as you can see, that they don't look really AI generated, and sometimes you just need something different, more colorful, depending on what you want your design to look. This is a really good tip. I use this a lot, especially for social media. The images here have more edgy touch than the other stock images that you find somewhere else. And as you can see, this is all for free. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Let me know in the comments if you try it out and how it goes for you. And if you have any questions or anything you would like to learn more within Canva, feel free to leave a comment. I'll try to make a video and help you out with that as well. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.